Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 45 and teach you how to use who saw you, who did you see, etc. in our day-to-day life. How to make questions part 2. For example, who saw Ram? Sita. Who did Sita see? Ram. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 45. Who saw you? Who did you see? Questions part 2nd. Section A. Sylvia saw Paul. Who saw Paul? Sylvia. Sylvia saw him. Who did Sylvia see? Paul. She saw Paul. Somebody saw Paul. Who saw Paul? Sylvia. Who is the subject? Paul is the object. Sylvia saw somebody. Who did Sylvia see? Paul. She saw Paul. Here, who is the object? And Sylvia is the subject. Section B. In these questions, who, what is the subject? Who lives in this house? Somebody lives in it. What happened? Something happened. What? What's happening? Who has got my key? In these questions, who, what is the object? Who did you meet yesterday? What did Paul say? Who are you phoning? What was Sylvia wearing? Compare. George likes oranges. Who likes oranges? George. What does George like? Oranges. Jane won a new car. Who won a new car? Jane. What did Jane win? A new car. Section C. Use who for people. Use what for things, ideas, etc. Who is your favorite singer? What is your favorite song? Now it's time for exercises. 45.1. Make questions with who or what. In these questions, who, what is the subject? Number 1. Somebody broke the window. Who broke the window? Number 2. Something fell off the shelf. What fell off the shelf? Number 3. Somebody wants to see you. Who wants to see me? Number 4. Somebody took my umbrella. Who took your umbrella? Number 5. Something made me ill. What made you ill? Number 6. Somebody is coming. Who is coming? 45.2. Make questions with who or what, subject or object. Number 1. I bought something. What did you buy? Number 2. Somebody lives in this house. Who lives in this house? Number 3. I phoned somebody. Who did you phone? Number 4. Something happened last night. What happened last night? Number 5. Somebody knows the answer. Who knows the answer? Number 6. Somebody did the washing up. Who did the washing up? Number 7. Jane did something. What did she do? Number 8. Something woke me up. What woke you up? Number 9. Somebody saw the accident. Who saw the accident? Number 10. I saw somebody. Who did you see? Number 11. Somebody has got my pen. Who has got your pen? Number 12. This word means something. What does this word mean? 45.3. You want the missing information? Write questions with who or what. Number 1. I lost something yesterday, but fortunately somebody found it and gave it back to me. What did you lose? Who found it? Number 2. Somebody phoned me last night. She wanted something. Who phoned you last night? What did she want? Number 3. I needed some advice. So I asked somebody. He said something. Who did you ask? What did he say? Number 4. I hear that somebody got married last week. Somebody told me. Who got married last week? Who told you? Number 5. I met somebody on my way home this evening. She told me something. Who did you meet? What did she tell you? Number 6. Steve and I played tennis yesterday. Somebody won. After the game, we did something. Who won? What did you do after the game? Number 7. It was my birthday last week and I had some presents. Somebody gave me a book and Catherine gave me something. Who gave you a book? What did Catherine give you? This is the end of unit number 45. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I will see you in my next video, unit number 46. Till then, bye bye.